Hey, good morning everybody. I'm out for a ride, trying to relax a little bit. I've been working on the bus, but I haven't been doing any filming, but I'll get back to it today. I'm putting the valance box, the wooden box, over the windows, and I've got all 4 shades in now. And I've been dinking around doing other things. And there's the creek. That's heading right out to the ocean out there. There's a little chipmunk there. Anyway, I'm doing better, and I really want to tell everybody I appreciate their kind comments, and I'm feeling a lot better now. So we're going to be back at it, and I'll be talking to you guys later at the shop. Hey guys, I left the refrigerator on all night, left the bus outside, and it's noon right now, and it's still showing 13.4 on the voltmeter. Let's see how the refrigerator's doing. 34 degrees. That's respectable. It's set at 30. I'm starting to build the boxes up here, as you can see. I had to use 2 pieces of wood because it was so long. It's 10 feet long. And Home Depot didn't have any of this lumber long enough for me, so I had to section it right in the middle. But I hooked it on the little L brackets. Got them between every window. They're 2-inch, so they're nice and strong. And I'm making the face for this right now, the piece that goes on the front, and it's over in the shop. And I came out here for a measurement to find where the middle of this is right here, because on this seam here I'm going to put a little plate, and it'll be decorative, and I want to make sure I get it in the center. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to find the middle. I can do this. And the middle is right about 5 feet. The middle is the middle. Okay. Well, that makes it easy. So I'm going to go back around, get that ready to go, and I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Okay, everybody, we're in the workshop, and I just built this. This is for the front of the valance box for the pull-down shades, and it's 10 feet long. Hard to see the whole thing, but it's going. Here, I'll turn it for you. It's going in an upright position like this, and there's a seam here, and I built this little finish plate to go on it to kind of hold it together really good. It's hooked together with a couple pocket holes on the back, but I screwed this into this block here, and I shaped it kind of like a National Forest Service sign a little bit, and like one of their informational signs. I just thought it'd be a nice touch. But anyway, I'm about ready to carry that around back and get it mounted up. Then we'll finish it. Well, there went my lights. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I got it installed, and right here I've got it taped off, ready to go ahead and put some Danish oil on. And I'm going to go ahead and rub that on right now, and we'll see how this looks. Move this thing out of the way. You have to excuse my appearance. I'm all wind blown from being on the bicycle. I sanded this down with 180, then 320. Rounded the edges a little bit. I learned my lesson about putting too much of this on. Okay, so you guys get the idea. It's going to be very nice. And I'll get the rest of this put on there, pull that tape, and we'll pull those shades down, see how nice it looks. Okay guys, here it is, installed. Window shades down. That blocks it off pretty good. This shade right here can't get past the cabinet to go all the way to the bottom there, so I'm going to have to put a little filler panel in there. Probably just made it out of wood or something, and kind of block off that little corner there. And I got another shade and put it in over here, and there it is. Yeah, tell me what you guys think on that. And the refrigerator's still running good, still holding plenty of power. And let me see what it's doing for temperature. Still 34, still 34 down there. And I think that's it for right now. We got these in, and I'm going to go ahead and upload a little video to you guys here, and I'll be better on my game later. I'm doing all right though. So again, thank you everybody that has shown all the support for me, and still stuttering around here a little bit. Okay, so I'll see you on the next one then. Bye people.